backward hip twist. So let me demonstrate slowly how to do backward hip twist, or sometimes we call it overturn. So here, beautiful posture, tummy in, chest forward, knee pressing back. Now we start to, as you press your standing leg back, your entire tummy going back. This we create that collecting feeling, and as you collect, that standing heel start to pivot, 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 and then from here we send our leg back, exactly how we do a regular backward walk. Now push your tummy in, gradually, gradually land. Now from here we have to, so we finish our pendulum, we have to collect our leg. How we collect? Like imagine like some hand press you into your tummy, and this leg pressing back, very high knee, and from here, as legs start to, my foot start to touch my other foot, I'm already start pivoting, pivoting, pivoting with a lot of brush, preparing for the next. Now next we'll try to a little bit speed up this process. And 2, and 3, and forward. And 2, and 3, and forward. But it's not about speed, it's about the beauty of it, that you collect, that the legs are brushing, and then we send our leg exactly behind. And then you can play. If you want to make it a little bit faster, you just go through this process a little bit faster and send your leg to this position. But the step itself, try to do a little bit slower. Transition can be faster, but step always do slower. Try not to land right away.